Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. So guys, when you want to log in or sign in on your WhatsApp and facing the issue that your code is not received for verification, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have proper connected with strong internet connection. And after doing this, you need to go back and guys open your Play Store, and guys after this here you need to search WhatsApp, and guys after this you need to update your WhatsApp from here. So guys, if you have update, then you need to update from here. And guys after doing this, you need to go back, open your settings, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, click on app management and click on app list. And guys here you need to search WhatsApp. So guys, now you can see here, simply you need to click on WhatsApp, and guys you need to click on storage and cache, click on clear cache, and after doing this you need to go back. And guys after doing this, you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on system, click on reset options. Here you can see reset phone. So guys, simply you need to click on reset Wi-Fi settings. And guys after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to restart your phone. So guys, simply you need to click and hold on power button, and guys after this you need to click on restart, and guys after restarting, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to get verification code on your phone number. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.